welcome to my new session on Economics Chit Chat today. In this session, we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic today on the developmental front, and that's going to be on understanding the new economic development in terms of employment that has been happening over the past few days. Now, there has been a lot of news in the market stating that because of COVID, there's been a loss of employment and there's also been a loss in terms of production altogether. But of late, if you have seen that, there has been a fantastic data that's just coming up and trying to talk, saying that the jobs in urban cities have suddenly spiked up by 35% up, which means to say that there has been a sudden growth in terms of employment. Now, if you ask the question, who is giving this employment? Where is the market opening up right now? When I look into the newspapers, or probably if I look into any of the articles, I'm not finding any job openings, but I'm suddenly seeing a number which is very, very fascinating, and that's about 35% hike in terms of jobs in the urban city. Now, does this tell us that the economy is on the recovery path, or does this tell us that we are just trying to move up jobs as per our need? Now, the reality behind this is that whenever any pandemic or whenever any kind of activity that happens, automatically the economy tries to reboot itself, finding out new employment opportunities. So from a development standpoint, at any given point of time, you will start understanding that we have been trying to focus upon the growth moment there has been a dip. Now, if you look at the stock market for a while, when the market started crashing during the time of the COVID-19, and now when you start looking, you would find that there has been a tremendous growth. Market has gone up by about 700, 800 odd points, and it has started climbing back. The reason being is that market has started seeing this as a great opportunity to rebuild itself and start growing. Similarly, from a developmental standpoint, it is now for us to understand that the economy is now opening up with new kinds of jobs. Now, why am I trying to bring this point today is that for all the people who are watching this video, please try to understand that you are going to come into a new dimension altogether, where you are going to see multiple job opportunities opening up. So it is not going to be that easy for all of us to understand, to take it over and to start feeling that something wrong or something right is happening. So this is going to be a new sector or a new segment altogether. Now, if you start looking at the work from home culture coming up and with the remote monitoring coming up, so companies will now try to reshuffle, remodule their working program altogether, and they would start bringing in a better employment opportunity. So from a development standpoint, I would always suggest that whenever there is a crash in the market, whenever there is a dip in the market, this is the right time when market will come up with a higher amount, a bounce back, where you will see greater amount of opportunities unlocking for all of us. So not to worry, this is the situation. This is the first indicator, I would say, that economy has started recovering. Why? Because if you go back into macroeconomics fundamental, the first thing that you need to understand from an economic standpoint is that consumption and employment. Moment the consumption moves up and the employment starts moving up, automatically you would see that the economy is again on the positive line altogether. So this is where I would always say that the growth in terms of developmental economics is now happening in India. And not to forget, if you look at the manufacturing firms today, they have suddenly started understanding the need for the inventory management, the need for logistics, and the need for keeping the manufacturing at a top pace altogether. In the last few months, of course, the manufacturing industry, including the hospitality and the aviation industry, were the one which were very severely affected. But then now they have understood that in order to overcome any kind of pandemic or any kind of situation like this, what we need to do exactly is that start working on creating an integrated supply chain so that the supply does not get affected. They're able to manage the host of inventory with minimum labor that is needed. So that means to say that now they're going to switch on to the modes of automation and make things even more perfect and keep the manufacturing at a particular pace altogether. Now, though China is not a popular subject here, people don't like to talk about China or the Chinese industry altogether. But a small lesson that we need to learn from China is that even though China started it, or probably China was the hub for the coronavirus to start, when they came back into the economy, they sprung back onto their manufacturing. Again, they started creating a viable model for survival altogether. So a lesson, a takeaway for us is that the next time we need to start ensuring that our manufacturing industry is not disturbed by any kind of attacks or by any kind of factors that happen in the economy. So this is going to be a very, very crucial lesson for us today to understand. And definitely not to forget, economy will be at the peak as far as possible. Thank you for joining me on this wonderful session today. I hope and believe that this has really made a great difference for you today. Thank you for joining me. Please do send me your comments. Please do send me your feedback. Until then, goodbye and good luck from my side. Thank you.